our first experience with snow last year, we were excited to chase it again this season. We even bought all our snow gear, but things didn't go exactly as planned. Hello everyone! Today is 13th September. With the school curriculum day, it's a long weekend for our family. So we are going for a 3-day trip around Alpine National Park.
Snowy mountains, here I come. So don't go snow, that would be dumb.
And now it's 3:30 p.m. and it's time for our lunch with this nice view. Despite the Falls Creek season closing on the 13th, we set out with a bit of hope. The drive was beautiful as we made our way to Mount Beauty, where we would be staying. On the second day, we headed to Falls Creek in the morning, hoping to catch the last bit of snow. But to our disappointment, there wasn't any. While enjoying breakfast, it started snowing lightly, and our excitement grew. Checking the forecast, we learned that Mount Hotham was expecting snow later in the day. We decided to head there, and on the way, it started snowing heavily. Our snow chase paid off.
This is so cool! Wow! The road is snow!
We came to Mount Hotham and we are so lucky it is snowing here. This is something we didn't expect. A cold front swept across southeastern Australia on the 13th and 14th of September, bringing with it our luck of snow.
What's up with you?
2 hours at Mount Hotham, soaking in the snow-covered surroundings. It was a magical experience and we felt so lucky to be there as it is not. Last day of our trip.
Are we going to see snow? Are we going to go on a snow hike?
Okay, chain fitting fun again.
On the third day, we couldn't resist heading back to Mount Hotham to enjoy more snow. After that, we decided to take on a challenge, the Mount Feathertop hike. It's an 8 to 9 hour trek, but we only had a couple of hours to spare. Though we didn't complete the hike, the walk was absolutely stunning. Hello, Kiana.
Hi. I'm making a snowball. Didn't even get close.
Our snow chase may have started with uncertainty, but it turned into an adventure we'll never forget. Sometimes it's the unexpected moments, like a sudden snowfall, that makes a trip so special. Thanks for joining us on our snow chase adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more family travel experiences.